Click the Stacked Bar Chart tab. If necessary, click in a white space of the chart to select the chart and make the buttons in the upper right-hand corner appear. Click the Chart Elements button. A menu appears showing which elements are currently on the chart and which are not. Click the Axis Titles box to check the box and add both a vertical and horizontal axis placeholder. The axis title on the bottom of the screen has selection indicators to indicate it is selected. Type thousands and press enter. Type thousands and press enter. Click the Total Line Chart tab and click the Chart Elements button and select the Axis Titles option. This time the vertical axis title is selected. You can click any label placeholder to select it if it already is on a chart. Type thousands on the vertical title. Repeat the previous step to add a vertical axis title of thousands for the coffee line chart and the horizontal axis title for the clustered bar chart. Click the Stacked Bar Chart tab, click the Chart Elements button, and select the Data Labels options. Save the workbook.